markups. Okay, so when finding the sale price, you will pay the original 100% plus the percent that it was marked up. So it says a store pays $70 for a bicycle. So that's what the store pays. The percent of markup is 20%. So increase, whenever we see the word markup, it's like increase. Okay, they marked it up, it's going up. We're gonna add 100%. So to get our new percentage. Okay, or you can figure out 20% of 70 and then add that back into the 70. I like to work off of the percentages. So I want to figure out, this is now 120%. So 120%, 1.2 of times $70. Or I could set it up as a proportion, okay, sale price over original. Okay, and this is where it's important you understand that it's going to always be your sale price over original, because you are going to have a percentage that's going to be bigger on the top. So my sale percent was 120 over the original is always going to be 100%. And my original cost, or cost to me, was $70. Cross, multiply, divide. Either way, you should end up with the same answer. Okay, and when I do this, I just found out that I'm going to sell the bike for $84. Okay, so that I'm going to end up making $14 for my store when I sell that bike. Okay, so a markup is going to be where you're selling something for more than what you paid for it so that you can make a profit. Oops. Okay, so it says a store pays $25 for a sweatshirt. That should say a sweatshirt. The markup is 65%. So markup again, you get the markup increase. Okay, I like to work the percentage. You can increase, you can find the 65% of 25 and then add that answer back into 25. I like to work off of the percentage. So if I increase, I'm going to add 100% to this. To me, it's just easier calculating. So I want to figure out 165%. Which is the same as 1.65 of times $25. Or I can set it up as a proportion. So my sale price, or how much I'm going to sell it for, over my original. Okay, my sale price is 165%. Oops, and then I was going to put the percent sign in front. Over the original price is always 100%. And then $25 was originally what I paid for it. Okay, so we're going to go ahead, cross, multiply, divide. So 165 times $25, divide that by 100. And when I do that, I get $41.25. Okay, so that's what I'm going to sell the sweatshirt for, is $41.25. So I'm going to make a profit of $16.25 on each sweatshirt. And the way that I did that is I subtracted between those. Okay. All right. So I want you guys to try this next one. Okay. A store pays $75 for an aquarium. The markup is 20%. Markup. It's marked up. It's increased. 20%. What is the selling price? So go ahead, pause your video and work your way through this one. And then when you're finished, you can start the video back up and check your answer. You should have ended up with $90 off of either of these. Okay, and you have to decide what you're more comfortable with. Some of you might need that proportion to see it, and some of you might say, I don't need the proportion. I know to add the 100% and then change that to its decimal. You decide for you what you're more comfortable with. You can pick one of these scenarios to go through.